Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TTOO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made, as it was a very big pullback now that continued. So first thing I'm going to do is just get rid of these lines here. Sure, those levels pertain. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines that are very low. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible going forward. But the first key level to keep an eye on, and this is the first update that needs to be done, is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So right here at 73 cents is now going to be that key level of resistance to watch with any sort of attempted, bounce back to the upside. Now, to give some credits too, it was good to see the price at least started to go sideways late day. So if this sideways movement does lead to some sort of upwards bounce, a great way to kind of test the health or the strength of that bounce is, well, let's see how it acts if it can get up to that red line. If it goes up to that level and then just it's like a warm knife through butter, well, that's fantastic. That would be a nice sign that the bounce has some genuine strength behind it. But if the price goes up there, it totally gets rejected and then gets smacked back downwards, well, at that point, it's one of those things where it's like, okay, well, apparently that bounce wasn't that strong. So like I said, right up around that level is going to be a great test of any sort of, movements to the upside. But more importantly now, at least in my opinion, especially given the downwards momentum that has really shown up here over the past couple of days, are where levels of support are. And the first key level, and nothing fancy here, is right here at 65. Like I said, nothing fancy. This level comes from the simple fact that is where the bleeding finally stopped today. And it stopped down there several times. So on 4 separate occasions, the bears try to press down there. But to give full credit where credit's due, the bulls did a great job each and every time holding strong there. So that'll be that initial area of support. If that level doesn't quite hold up, then no such thing as a guarantee, but it would not be shocking at all to see the price then go down there and potentially test that pink line there, the 200 period moving average, which is currently valued at 58 cents. So keep your eye on those levels going forward, and we'll see what happens with it over the next couple of days. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.